Hi, my name is Brian Van. I'm the compost coordinator here at the Student Compost Cooperative. Today I'm going to be giving you a virtual tour of the SCC. The SCC was founded in 2009 by our director, Ann Wilkie, at the BioEnergy and Sustainable Technology Laboratory in the Soil and Water Sciences Department as a space for students to practice sustainability and a place to compost their food waste. Right now, I'm going to be dropping off my food waste in the compost bins. Here we have 3 composting bins. One is always open for use on an alternating basis, and students can come in 24/7 to drop off their food waste. Once the compost bins are filled and ready, they are moved and sifted over to our compost storage bins, where members can then use it for whatever gardening purpose they need. SCC members are able to register for a garden plot at the end of each semester, or they can use a pot in the container garden. Here we have rainwater harvesters. We encourage members to practice sustainability by using rainwater to water their crops. A short walk away from the garden is the greenhouse. Within the greenhouse, you'll find that the SCC has a designated space for storage, plant propagation, and seed germination. And if you go in that direction, you will find a tool shed. If you ever find yourself needing a shovel or a trowel for your gardening project, the tool shed is open for all members to borrow what they need. This concludes the tour of the SCC. If you're interested in joining the Student Compost Cooperative, please be sure to email us and we can let you know when an orientation is available, and we hope to see you around.